What's going on, ND Highlights fam? Today we're talking big transfer news from Manchester United. Remember Antony, the £86 million mega signing from last summer? Well, it seems he might be on his way out of the club already. But before we start, please support this channel. Subscribe to this channel, hit the like button or just leave the comment. Antony, from hero to flop? Let's be honest, Antony hasn't exactly set the world alight at Old Trafford. He's only managed 9 goals in 70 games, and his playing time has recently dwindled. This, combined with United's dismal season under Ten Hag, has put his future in serious doubt. Manchester United planning major squad overhaul. New owner Sir Jim Ratcliffe is planning a major squad overhaul, and Antony is reportedly one of 10 players on the chopping block. The problem? United are unlikely to recoup anywhere near the £86 million they paid for him, with some reports suggesting they might only get half that amount. Ten Hag challenges Antony to prove himself. Ten Hag has publicly criticized Antony's form, stating he needs to step up and prove he deserves his place in the team. He even hinted that other players, like Forson and Diallo, have outperformed Antony in training and could be given the starting nod. More stars facing the exit door? Antony isn't the only one who might be packing his bags. Players like Sancho, Casemiro, Van de Beek, Wan-Bissaka, and Lindelof could also be on their way out as part of this dramatic rebuild. So, MD Highlights fam, what do you think? Is selling Antony a good decision? Who else do you think should leave United? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more transfer news and analysis. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel MD's Highlights, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next news videos.